The aim and dream of every new YouTuber is that immediately they make their first video and post it on YouTube, they should start getting views, and most importantly, by the end of the month, they should be able to cash out. But unfortunately, things aren't so for most YouTubers. Most YouTubers often got frustrated at the long run, even immediately they started, because even with their first video, because they wanted to go viral immediately they made their ways into YouTube. But it's not always so. If you refuse, or if you are not aware, or if you are not knowledgeable of how you can optimize your YouTube videos, that is why this channel, Amos Global, is created. It's a platform where we share tips and on how we can both grow our YouTube channel. And one of the reasons why you should be here is that I'm going to be sharing with you how I got over 2 million views in just a single day, with over 5,000 subscribers and over 16,000 watch hours. So this platform is made for you. If you are here, if you want to grow your YouTube channel in the shortest period of time, this channel is for you. That is why in today's video I'm going to walk you through the process of how you can optimize your YouTube channel to get a good numbers of views. Yes, this is the mistake that most new YouTubers make. I have once been in their shoes, right? Because about 7 years ago that I started my YouTube journey, I made my first post. I don't know how I can really optimize my YouTube channel. Yes, I'm not talking about videos now. How you can optimize your YouTube channel for views, to get views. I didn't know it, so I made my first video. I got 20 views. I made the second one. I got just a little above 20 views, and I got frustrated. This is not what I was expecting. Then, do you know what happened? I just fell off YouTube. Yes, I fell off YouTube until later I come back. But it's not this time, it's not this channel. This is actually a new channel that I recently created. Just ensure that you are subscribed to this YouTube channel and turn on the notification so that I can share what happens with you. So how can we optimize our channel for growth? How can we build our channels? How can we optimize it to get views immediately we get our first video on YouTube? That is what I'm going to be sharing with you. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's see how we can optimize our YouTube channel for growth and get thousands of views as we have expected. So let's get started. So let's quickly go and see how you can optimize your new YouTube channel for growth. And by the end of this video, if you implement the strategy that will be provided here, you will certainly be able to grow your YouTube channel in a short period of time. So, oh no, not this. We are going to be using the Chrome browser. Search for studio studio.youtube.com. Not every new YouTubers know about this, and some knows it but don't actually know how to optimize it their channel. So you can see we currently have 0 subscriber because this is a brand new YouTube channel that no post has even been made. This is actually my first video on this channel. I've actually built a successful channel of over 5,000 subscribers in just one day, and which I have told you earlier. So this is another channel again. So tap on settings. So these are stages that we want to be looking into. Look at it here. So we have general, we have channel, we have upload, and the main important thing we are looking into here is the info. We have basic info, advanced settings, features, eligibility. Now let's go to the keywords side. You can see this channel has keywords that are related to the niche. Yes, this niche is actually about how to, guys. It is primarily a tutorial channel where we share YouTube tips, YouTube tutorials, YouTube guides. And if you look at the keywords that we have here as well, you can see the first one is YouTube not recommending my video, how to get 4,000 watch hours fast, how to get 1,000 watch hours subscribers, and a lot more like that. And that aside, you can see we have the names of channels as well. That is the names of popular channels in the niche. The first one is Vibe with Sonia, that you can see over there. We have Vibe with Sonia, and not just that, we have Ben Did It and a few others rather. So this help the channel itself to be optimized. Know that we are not talking about the videos right now. We are talking primarily about optimizing the channel itself. Look at this. Dan the creator. This is one of the popular creators in my niche. We have Glory C. We have vidIQ, which you possibly might know. So another keyword we have here is YouTube monetization. We have Prince Asimia here. We have Chiamaka Ukole and a few other keywords that are related to the how to's niche, tutorials niche, and we have Pape and Ope there. These are things that I can do make a videos about. They all fall under the category of how to's. So all these keywords, they are very very important for your YouTube optimization. If you don't do it, the truth there is that YouTube may not recommend your videos because YouTube will not know. The algorithm will be confused and YouTube will not know what exactly your YouTube channel is about. But if you add your keywords here, if you add everything here, it will easily make the algorithm to recognize your channel and to know what exactly your channel is about and the kind of audience that they can recommend it to. Now, let's say you are in a tutorial niche, YouTube will not recommend your video to people in the entertainment niche. I mean, those that want to watch entertainment videos. You get what I'm trying to explain? YouTube will not recommend your videos to them, but they will recommend your videos to those who are searching for things related to what you post. Do you understand how this YouTube recommendation now works? So this is exactly how it works. Your keywords, the keywords that you add here are very important. It helps the YouTube algorithm to easily pick your videos. If you don't do this, note that your channel might still be recommended, but it will take a lot of time for YouTube to study your channel by themselves. It will take a lot of time, but if you do this, you will prevent that from happening. Your videos might start getting views, good numbers of views, even the very first day you publish your videos. So this is just one of the ways it works. Now this is another thing. This is not where we are going. Let's go to the advanced. Now another thing which is very very important, which is considered very very important, is your category. Yes, category is very important and you must never underestimate it. Your category share, it makes YouTube to know where exactly you belong. Now you can't be in the tutorials need and go and choose entertainment. You cannot go and choose entertainment, or you go and choose football or sport rather. You cannot go and choose football. You cannot go and choose auto, like vehicles something. Since you don't post about vehicles, motorcycles like that, you cannot choose shorts. I cannot choose shorts because I am in the autos need. Mine is to share tips, share guidelines. Now look at the categories. These are some, or these are all the categories on YouTube can be found here. they are just limited to about 16, I guess. They are almost 16 or 16. So you just have to choose the one that is closely related to your niche. If you are in the autos automobiles niche, you can choose the first one. You are in the comedy, you are in education, entertainment, and a lot more. You have to choose wherever you belong. This is very important, and this should even come before the first one, before your keywords. It should even come before your keywords. This is very, very, very important. You have to choose it. You have to choose it if only you want YouTube to start recommending your videos. It is not every videos we post on YouTube that are exactly what people are searching for. You don't understand what I'm trying to say. When you Now, let's say I want to I posted something on YouTube. I may say, do this, and YouTube will recommend your videos. This is not exactly what people will search for, but they can search for how to make YouTube to recommend my videos, or YouTube is not recommending my videos. Look at the keywords, look at what I just said, so what people or to what I can do. Now, this is another set which is very important. This is another thing that I'm going to show you here is very important, and it is nothing but we are going to talk about thumbnails. Your thumbnails is very important. Now, let's say YouTube, you have done what I studied. Now, YouTube has started recommending your video. It is now left to you to create a good thumbnail for your video. Your thumbnail is what viewers will see that will prompt them to want to know exactly what is happening or the information you were trying to pass across in your video. Now, let's say your thumbnail is not catchy enough. They won't click it. They would rather go for other thumbnails that is very catchy, that seems to answer what they are looking for, even though the video that they might click might not solve their problem. But the reason why they did not click your video to watch your video is because your thumbnail is not catchy enough. Now look at this one here. Look at how radiant the thumbnail is. Now these are other thumbnail. This one is very catchy. This for catchy is not very catchy. But look at other ones. They are very catchy. Look at this one too. Look at this one. People would want to click on it. People will want to click and watch it. So look at this one as well. This one particularly. Look at this. They will want to know exactly what is happening in this video. What got people to be? What makes them? They want to know everything that happens in the video. And this will help you channels to grow faster, because people will surely, they will certainly click it, and that will means more viewers, and much more viewers will translate to much watch hours, and then your watch hours contributes it contributes a lot majorly to your monetization. So please kindly work on everything that I have provided in this video. They will certainly help you and your channel within the shortest time possible. We have seen a lot of YouTubers growing their channel within the space of 3 months, 2 months, even some 1 month, and some 1 year, and some other people it may take them 2 to 3 years before they can get their channels monetized. You want that to happen to you? Kindly follow or kindly implement the steps that are being provided in this video, and you will thank me later. Let me know your opinion in the comment section. Like this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in my next video. Bye bye.